Hey guys, it's been a while. What's been going on? But firstly, before I start telling you what's been going on and what we're going to be doing with the channel, I'd like to say a big heartfelt thank you to absolutely everybody who's been reaching out in the comments, in the emails. I've had emails off you. I really have appreciated them. I've not ignored them. I have been reading them. So thank you so much for that support and outreach, asking how I'm doing. I just haven't had the headspace to reply because I had a fantastic turn in my life. I changed careers, I changed jobs, and I got a job working for an incredible agency here in the UK, representing some great brands in the motorcycling industry. So that changing career has been a big deer in the headlights year and a half or so for me. I've been working like crazy, but it's been fantastic. I've had so many great opportunities. So I've just not had the creative headspace to do this, because this is something that I do for fun. You know, I work 9 to 5 like everyone else. But I have missed doing this. But I wanted to come back and do something different. I just didn't know what this channel was going to look like. I didn't know what that was going to be. So it's taken me this amount of time to kind of find space in my head to do this, but also to do it right. I wanted to go in a new direction, and that's why I'm making this video, to tell you what we're going to do. I am coming back, and instead of me just talking and telling you what's going on, why don't I show you? Hey guys, so I'm here in the depths of Lincolnshire. It's a very chilly autumn day. It's cold, it's misty. I've got the thermal layers on, but that road behind me, that one there, is the B1190, and it's one of my favourite roads to ride. It goes all the way from a village called Bardney to Horncastle, and it's just full of tight, twisty turns. It's a really awesome, shortish route. Probably takes about 20 minutes to ride. But then if I go north on the A158 and down to another place called Henry Lane, that's another awesomely open, stretchy, twisty, turny road to do, and it's a great little loop. And that's what I want to do on this video, is show you one of my favourite roads to ride, a great road to ride, because after you've done that loop, you can head north. It's only a stone's throw from a place called Willingham Woods, which is a great place here in Lincolnshire. You can stop. It's a proper bikey place, meet-up place where you can have a nice coffee, bacon sandwich, that kind of thing. So, and yeah, I'm taking the SP. It's absolutely caked in mud already and dirt. There's leaves and there's stuff all over the road. I think we're really running out of days to go out and enjoy the bike, eh? But yeah, I'm also going to be trialing a couple of new tech features on this. I've got a new media mod attached to this GoPro. I've also got an ND filter, a couple of ND filters to hopefully provide a bit of cinematic ambience. So I'm quite keen to see how that comes out. So yeah, let's jump on the bike, go for a ride, and hopefully end up at a really nice place to stop and have a coffee and maybe a bite to eat. The only problem with this time of year is getting these gauntlet gloves over the cuff of your leathers. It's such a pain, isn't it? You've got to keep your hands warm. But I usually have those short cuff Alpenstars gloves I've got, which are nice short cuff ones, but in the winter you really need gauntlet ones. But just trying to get them over your leathers is a right pain. Put a GoPro in. I attached a GoPro to my horn, and now it just makes it sound like it's oh god, well I'll have to sort that out then. I can't have that. My god, look at the clouds. It's gonna rain, I know it is, but let's see how we go. Kicking things off along the B1190 from Bardney is a really great place to start this route. It's tight and twisty from the get-go. It's a shame that on the day of filming the road was really wet and damp. There have been lots of flooding, lots of rainfall, leaves and mud everywhere, so I had to really take it steady and just enjoy the route itself rather than put the hammer down. In the summer though, this route is awesome to do. When it's really warm, you can really open things up and really enjoy some of these corners. What I also like about this road is there are lots of little villages dotted along the way which give you a little bit of respite in between, opening up the throttle. So you've got these really cute English villages with thatched cottages either side. It's really quite idyllic. Once you reach the end of the B1190 at Horncastle, you'll come to the A158 junction. Just simply make a left there and head up the road. In no time at all, you come to a village called Boumba. Just make a left at the signs for Bardney and you're on your way along Henry Lane. Now, unlike the road along the B1190, this part of the stretch along Henry Lane is quite open, quite fast, but there's some really nice tarmac roads left and right as you make your way back to Bardney, and from there you're going to go straight on up towards Wragby. If at any point in your travels you do end up at Wragby and need a break, there is a really nice pub there just on the left hand side, and just across the way in the precinct there's a great little chippy there to get a fish and chips from. Get over the crossroads and head north through Beckering, Lissington, Linwood as you make your way towards Market Rasen. This bit of road is great to ride, lots of 90-degree turns as the road navigates around all the farmers' fields. Then when you get to Market Rasen, just make a right, head along the road for a bit and you'll be within spitting distance of one of the best bike stops in the county. What I also like about Willie Woods is the cafe that's permanently on site there. Not only do they serve good food, but they also do a lot of good work for charity, a lot of fundraising and raffles for the Lincolnshire and Nottingham Air Ambulance and also St Barnabas Hospice as well.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
Thank you. Yeah, so there you go guys. I'm here at Willingham Woods. You probably hear the bikes in the background. There's quite a few people out on their bikes today, which is great. It's like, a very chilly, nippy autumn day, but still loads of people going out for a blat. But yeah, this is just one of the things I want to do on this channel really. This is one of my favourite routes to ride. I'll put a link in the description below that you can put in the Google Maps and you can actually go and do it yourself. I'd like to do some gear and some tech reviews. I'd like to bring you up to speed with what I'm doing with my bike, my MT-09 SP. Just in a nutshell, I've put a new screen on there, got new Metzler tyres, and a couple of other bits and bobs, so I'll bring you up to speed with what I've done there. I also want to do some camping on this channel. I went camping with the guys earlier this year and it was a right hoot. We camped in a massive thunderstorm. I didn't film any of it, I was just kind of dipping my toe in the water to bike camping, but I really want to do some more of that. That was an electric Zero, I do believe. That's great. It's great to see electric bikes out. But yeah, this speaking of gadgets and tech reviews, yeah, I've mentioned I'm using a media mod for the GoPro Hero 9, which is what I got. So I really have no idea what this is going to come out like. I think it's recording the audio okay, but we'll see. But I'm just trialing this as a new vlogging camera. So yeah, I just want to take this channel in a new direction and we'll see how it goes. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. There'll be a link in the description for the route I've done today, and I'll hope to see you guys again very soon.